This is the original GoPro setup and worked great for some years, but it has two major issues. The first issue is that with the original clip, it is not possible to mount perpendicular to a surface, and that was a problem for my chest strap. The second issue was that it had two cracks that I was able to fix with some super glue, but it was not perfect and it would probably break soon. So I went to AliExpress and bought what I thought was pretty cool mount. And I chose this set. I really liked the fact that it had an L mount, L-shaped mount that would give from some distance from the mating surface. The screw knob was pretty nice. I liked the matte finish. It was not perfect and had some flash from the mold, but it was pretty good in general. And this is the case of the GoPro. It's a bit different than the original. The difference is that the original has the mounting point on the bottom side, while the AliExpress one has it on the back. And I thought that would be cool because it would give some more distance from the mount. This is supposed to be universal for GoPro Hero Session 4 and 5, but let's see how that mounts to my GoPro. So if I try to place it in the same way that it was mounted in the original case, you can see that it looks fine. The door opens and closes fine. The screen microphone button, but the power knob is covered. So I will try some different setups. I will flip it 90 degrees clockwise. The power is still covered. And I'll turn it 180 degrees clockwise. Let's see, that seems fine. But now the door will not open because the latch is here. And I'll flip it 90 more degrees clockwise. And after flipping it 270 degrees, everything looks fine. Everything is accessible. But the mount is actually 90 degrees rotated. This way you either need an adapter to flip the mount 90 degrees or use the mount for vertical filming, for YouTube shorts, etc. So should I recommend this case? Well, if you are planning to use it as a direct replacement, no. But since I found a new use for it, filming vertically, this would work fine, and the quality is pretty good too. So if this is what you're looking for, go and buy it. I will post a link in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe. I just ordered a bunch of stuff from AliExpress and I will be posting some new videos soon. Thanks for watching.